Alright there, sexy people. I thought I'd just go through how you root Trackspacer in FL Studio. When I first started using Trackspacer, there wasn't many videos online and I kind of had to search and search. So I thought I'd just quickly do this and just kind of show you just how everything's rooted and kind of how you connect everything. So on my channel 1 here, I've got my vocal, and on channel 2 I've got piano. So what I've done on channel 2 on my piano, so this is my vocal. I want my piano to duck, because that's what Trackspacer does. It kind of it's a dynamic EQ, so it just kind of brings certain points down that you highlight, and it just allows you to make space in the track, hence the name Trackspacer. So with your vocals on your desired instrument, put Trackspacer on that channel. And your vocals, what you want to do is you want to, oh, not that, you want to right click and you want to sidechain to this track. Now in Trackspacer, if I click it and bring it over, you'll have this box that will come up. This is the main UI. And if you go up into the settings cog up in the top left hand corner, and then you hit the extra settings bar there. Now if you go into processing, and you go down to sidechain and you right click, you will see that you have your vocals will come up. So you click your vocals, and now what Trackspacer is doing, it's now listening out for your vocals to then duck the piano. So you'll see your vocals come up here. So if I start playing the tune,
lost and alone, but I still keep proceeding on.
and then you can then cut as you would like. So then you just highlight the area you wish to cut, and then how much you wish to cut. You also hit that little button there, and you've got mid-side. So you might want to do mid-side for, say, your breaks, so your pads, strings, bits and pieces like that. And yeah, and you got an attack and release. But yeah, but that's really it. Nice and quick and simple, really. Yeah. So here we go.
Lost and alone, but I still keep proceeding on. No sense of time. I don't even know where I'm going. I begin to get breathless, and my heart, it keeps beating faster. I know I just can't take this. How much longer now?
So there you go, nice and easy, quick way of rooting Trackspacer in FL Studio. So yeah, have a good one.